passive and active components in electronics. Adjunct, a components added as a supplementary rather than as essential part. Amplify, it means to enlarge, strengthen, to make louder as with sound. Amplifier, it is a device used to enlarge, strengthen, or amplify signals. Audio signal, it is a sound signal normally heard by a human ear. Audio frequency, it is the frequency range of the audio signal. The lowest frequency is 20 Hz. The highest frequency is 20,000 Hz. Hertz, it is a basic unit of frequency. Hertz is written Hz for short. The word Hertz came from the name of Heinrich Hertz, a physicist. He was the first man to prove by experiments that radio signals can be transmitted through the air. The passive and active components. You probably have seen a transistorized amplifier, and perhaps you wonder and ponder how this miraculous thing produces beautiful sounds of music. You may even wonder more when you peep inside the cabinet of your high-fidelity set and discover that your hi-fi set, which is capable of producing the mellow, haunting, and enchanting melodies, is made up of a few strange parts only. Basically, a solid-state amplifier, be it a small phonograph amplifier, an expensive 4-channel set or 2-channel stereophonic set, is made up of two parts, the active parts and the passive parts. The active parts components are parts that amplify or enlarge the sound signal that is fed into the amplifier. In a solid-state amplifier set, for example, the active parts are the transistors and integrated circuits operational amplifiers, oftentimes referred to as semiconductor or solid-state devices. The active parts images. We have transistor, diode, and integrated circuit. The functions of the passive parts. The passive parts are the resistors, transformers, capacitors, wires, and others. The passive parts do not amplify or enlarge the sound signals, but they are the adjunct parts connected to the transistors. Their works are to maintain the necessary operating voltage and current of the active parts on their normal levels and act as a passageway or path for the signal flow. To be a good technician or mechanic, it is important to study these parts. Specifically, the type of amplifier we are going to learn is called an audio amplifier. An audio amplifier is an amplifier used to amplify, enlarge, or strengthen signals at audio frequency range. Audio frequency signal is a sound whose range is from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. It can be heard normally by a human ear. The passive parts images. We have resistors, capacitors, transformers, stranded wire, and solid wire. Thank you for watching, and God bless.